Hi guys, if your home Wi-Fi isn't strong enough, this Wi-Fi 6 extender really makes a difference. It's super blazing fast, speeds up to 2400 megabits on the 5 GHz band from 600 megabits on 2 and 4 GHz. That's more than enough for streaming in 4K or 8K gaming or just smooth browsing without any delays. Without it notice right away is the strong and stable signal. Though with my house it has 4 powerful antennas that helps eliminate the dull zones even in hard to reach corners. It also comes with a gigabit internet port, which is great if you want a wide connection for a smart TV, gaming console or desktop. It's super fast and reduced lag compared to Wi-Fi. Another plus is that it can handle multiple devices at once without slowing down. Thanks to the Wi-Fi 6 technology, it keeps everything running smoothly. Phones, tablets, laptops, you name it. And finally, step was simple. The instructions were easy to follow, and there's even a video guide. Had it working in minutes. So, if you're tired of weak signal or slow downloads, this little extended can really upgrade your home internet experience.